So last year I bought the soldering iron that was butane powered, and it was just amazing, but not so amazing because it kept burning everything that required soldering that had plastic wrapped around it, and you couldn't really control the temperature. So I decided, hey, why not get a soldering iron? They're like, which one do I get? There's so many to choose from. It's like 31 flavors of soldering irons. Do I get a blue one, green one, black one, and then buy all the accessories later? But then I found this one where everything was simply built in, and all you had to do was put it together so that you can either fix your kids' toys or work on little hobby projects here and there that you might come across the table that just require soldering, where you can actually control the temperature, right? And so I put this together, and now I am trying to fix my kids' toys that they broke. They're like, "Hey, Dad, can you fix this?" I'm like, yeah, sure." So I'm like, "Yeah, I got this." And so here I am trying to solder it back together, adjusting the temperature to 572 works out pretty good. Need to tin up the soldering tip just to make sure that there's the continuity just flows as you apply the heat. Looks like it's working out pretty good. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit because a little bit rusty with my soldering skills, but I'll get there. And the key is to practice on other things around the house before you actually work on a flight controller, right? Because you don't want to buy a new flight controller every time, and it's better to work on your kids' toys that they break than break your own stuff. All right, so there we are. It's managing and working out. Seems like I got the soldering action thing done. Looks like the connectors are working, but looks like it has to go through the holes. So I put them through the holes, and pray it works when I put them through. As I connect the batteries to the power, wow, the lights are on. This is awesome, right? And so here we go. And need a little bit of glue because I had to remove the adhesive that was there so that the infinity mirror, which is basically what this is, will work, and the light will simply go on and on and on. And actually, repairs hopefully won't go on and on and on if the kids stop breaking their toys. But it seems to be working out pretty good. And putting back on so that just testing it out, and voila, look at that, we got the toys back up and running.